Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show 3 ways to set a live wallpaper on an iPhone. Let's have a look. The first way is to set a live wallpaper using the camera app. So, launch the camera app on your iPhone and select the photo option. Now, enable the live option at the top right corner. Make sure the live option is on. Then, capture the little motion photo. Now, tap the photo preview. Then tap the share button. You will see different options on your phone screen. Swipe up the screen and tap the Use as Wallpaper option. You will see the live wallpaper preview for your lock screen. Tap on Live Wallpaper button to turn your wallpaper in Live Wallpaper. Tap the Add button. Your device will show options to set as a wallpaper pair or customize the home screen. Select Set as a Wallpaper. Now, close the photo and lock your phone screen. Tap the Power button. You will see Live Wallpaper is added. That's it. Let's see the second way to set live wallpaper from the lock screen. Tap and hold the lock screen of your iPhone. If your device is password protected, it will ask you to enter the password. Then, it will bring you to this page. Now, you will see the plus icon beside the Customize button. Tap on the plus icon. Then, choose Photos and tap Albums. Now, choose Live Photos and then select the live wallpaper. You will then see a list of live wallpapers that you can choose from. Select your live photo, you will see the live option. Make sure the live option is on. If not, then you can tap and play live wallpaper. Tap the Add button at the top right corner. Your device will show options to set as a wallpaper pair or customize the home screen. Select Set as a Wallpaper Pair. Your live wallpaper is added now on the iPhone lock screen. That's it. Now, let's see the third way. Set live wallpaper via the Settings app. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down a little bit and tap Wallpaper. Under Wallpaper, swipe left until you see the new option. Then, tap on the blue plus sign under New. Now, tap Photos. Then tap Albums and choose Live Photos. You will see a list of live wallpapers that you can choose from. Select your favorite live wallpaper from the list. You will see the preview of your live wallpaper. Make sure the live option is on. To finalize the live wallpaper, tap the Add button on the top right corner. Then, choose Set as Wallpaper Pair. Close the Settings app and lock your iPhone screen. Press the Power button, and your iPhone will display the live wallpaper. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks videos.